Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can see who follows you on Snapchat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your Snapchat application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. And from here, just tap on our profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. And here select My Public Profile. And here, you can see your followers. In my case, I have 24 followers. So to see these followers, what you want to do is to go back and scroll down to Friends section. Here, tap on My Friends, and all of the friends that is in your list are your followers. You can also see followers in Add Friends section. And if I go to Add Friends, you might see followers here that just added you, but you still haven't added them back. So you just see all of your followers here on your Add Friends list and your My Friends list. So that's basically how you can see who follows you on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.